I'm on day 3 of my 30-day cleanse, and I just did my very first hot yoga class. And I was a little nervous and a little just unsure of what it would be like. And I just loved it. It was very gentle. It was 75 minutes and it was heated with infrared sauna instead of heaters. And it was just so nice. I just felt like my body was melting in a good way. I felt like my tension was melting away. And I just felt so peaceful and relaxed. It was just really, really, really restorative, and I highly recommend giving hot yoga a try if you haven't tried it. My cleanse is going really well. I've just been doing lots of whole foods. I've been drinking smoothies. I've been having salads with lots of veggies and apple cider vinegar in the morning and the evening. My smoothies have coconut water. They're really hydrating. And I had energy work from just an amazing, wonderful energy worker. Her name is Heidi Korsch, and she's phenomenal. I'll put her a link to her website. I think she does distance healing. She's amazing, and the hot yoga is amazing, and everything's really going well. I'm really impressed. I've lost 3 pounds in 3 days, and that was kind of unexpected so quickly. And it's been easy in a way. It's been good. It hasn't been painful. It's not a fast, it's a cleanse, so I still get to have nourishing food as long as it's whole food. And I will compile a list of what I'm doing, of the foods and the drinks that I'm having, and I will eventually make a page, probably a Facebook page or group that you can join if you want to join me and just go day by day or look at my videos in sequential order and kind of join along. So I'll just get that together when I get it together. I think I'm going to do my little videos as I go and see how it goes. And this is really, like I said, a mind, body, spirit cleanse. It's very intuitive. It's very day by day. I haven't written it out yet. I'm just going with what I feel each day, and that's great. I love it that way. At the end of it, I will compile something more formal. So if you like to have written instructions on how to do it, I will have that for you probably by the beginning of August, maybe. So just thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate having a community to share this with. And I'm just enjoying it so much. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll put a link to Heidi. I'll put a link to my hot yoga. It's called Hot Yoga for You. I'm in Sarasota, Florida, but there are hot yoga studios all over the world. So hopefully you can find one where you are if you want to give that a try. And tomorrow I'm doing an infrared sauna and a float at Mind Spa. So I am just really taking care of myself and enjoying every day of this 30-day cleanse. Thanks for joining me, and have a beautiful day or evening wherever you are. Namaste.